love and happiness. Yeah, something that can make you do wrong, make you do right. Yeah, love.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So in this house, as you guys can see when you first walk in, it is a fireplace to the right. This is the living room area that I'm currently walking through. Walking through the living room, you are greeted by the kitchen. It is a one-car garage. This house does have the appliances in this unit as well. As you can see, it has a white cabinetry, a double sink with a dishwasher. The cabinets are wood in the inside. However, I can always customize that to my liking. Behind this door right here, it does have a standalone pantry. As you guys can see that, it does go kind of deep. Coming through the kitchen, it does lead to the one-car garage. And out here, it does have the washer and dryer as well as a sink. As you guys can see, the garage area. So coming off of the kitchen, it does have another pantry area. I don't know if you could use this as a pantry portion or you could use it as storage. So we're just gonna say it's storage right now because I don't know what I would use that space for. But to the right of it, it does have a patio back here. We're gonna go out here and see what it looks like. I do like the fact that it is already fenced in. You guys already know that we have fur babies. So this will be perfect area for them to go out and play and they'll be secure. It does have a back deck and it does go down like a step or two, which I like. So we can definitely do a lot of different projects out here as far as upgrading and fixing these little patio stones and steps and stuff like that. So I'm just showing you how the outline is regarding the back porch out here. Alright, so as you guys can see, we are back in the living room area and I'm just showing you guys the fireplace and going down the hall here. This is a linen closet or more storage space, whatever you want to call it. It does go pretty deep back there. This is a bedroom to the left of it. It's a decent size. It isn't as big as I would like for the rooms to be, but because we are downsizing, this comes along with the territory of downsizing, right? So within that, as you guys can see, that was a closet there. Over here, adjacent from that bedroom, you do have the full-size bathroom here with a toilet and the combination with the stand-up shower. Okay, I'm not a combination, but it's just an actual stand-up shower, sorry. And then coming down to the hall, as you guys can see to the end of the hall, it does have more space as a closet. You can use it as a linen closet or just storage space, period. To the left of that is another bedroom. It's a decent size. Like I said, it's not as big as I would have liked for the rooms to be. However, that comes along with the territory when you're downsizing, okay? So that is a walk-in closet there. And then across from this bedroom is the master bedroom. Now, one of the features that I actually liked in this room, it had this wood wall It's like a little accent wood wall, which I liked. It's very different. This is real wood, and I actually like that. It does give like more of a farmhouse vibe, but you could do a lot with that. And within the master bedroom, it does have a stand-up shower, as well as a sink and a toilet. As you guys can see, this blue painting, this blue paint, I do not like at all. So therefore, I will customize that and make the color a different color, paint color. I definitely do not like that blue. As you guys can see, this is another closet here. And yeah, guys, so that is basically this is it for this particular house that I looked at, and it's okay. I don't know exactly, it doesn't really it doesn't tickle my fancy, so to speak. It doesn't, but we'll see what we'll see what the future holds, okay? But because this is a part of the process, I wanted to share with you guys, and as promised, I already told you guys I'm going to take you guys on this journey while we're looking for our new home. And yeah, so that's it for this particular unit. All right, y'all, so I am currently in Lowe's. I'm getting ready to stock up on a few boxes to start the packing process. Y'all, when I say I hate moving, I really hate moving. But I'm going to be starting the process of starting a box of stuff because I got so much stuff and I got to start going through stuff, my things, and what I'm going to put in storage, or if I'm going to get rid of stuff. I don't know. But in the interim, we still need boxes. So we're probably going to hire a moving company to move our stuff, but I don't want them in there packing my stuff. So I'm going to still pack my stuff and then pay a company to actually move us. So I think I'm going to get a couple boxes to get us started.
Let's go to Cornwall and stand back to the... Oh, okay. Right. Going on to a shop walk. Yeah. I guess it's not a shop walk, but... Yeah, I agree. Cleveland Road. I live off Cleveland Road on the way to... Where that building... Yeah, houses are all over the place out there. Crazy. Yeah. Oh, you man.
I'm good already.
I'm hanging in there. Better if I was home in my pool.
Huh?
I'd be better if I was home in my pool.
Oh, no, now that sounds good.
That's where my wife's at right now.
What time you get off?
I'm talking about.
Oh, wow.
I ain't climbing in no pool or something. I always get 10 cars. I'm tired.
I'm pretty sure you will be.
You finding everything?
I am. Thank you. All right, so for this next house, this is considered to be a townhouse. As you guys can see, we're walking in, and to the left of us, it is a hall closet. Okay, pretty decent size for a hall closet, right? So coming down the hall to the right of this, it is a bathroom. And it has the toilet and a pedal sink with a mirror. Nice size for a powder room, as you would call it. To the left of it is a nice island with stainless steel appliances such as the refrigerator, the microwave, the stove, and I think it also has a dishwasher. To the back of this, it does have a nice size patio area. Alright, so this is a nice living room area space right here. And on the other side of the kitchen, it does have a mud room, as you will. I'm just really admiring these stainless steel appliances that the home has. So going into the area up over here, this is considered to be the mud room with another closet over here. Nice storage area. And to the right of it over here, it is where you can hang your coats, your jackets, or your purses, as well as shoes. And out here, it does have a one-car garage. All right, so this is a pretty decent space. So as you guys can see, I'm just really admiring the upgraded appliances that we have here. So going up back where we started from, we're gonna go on up the steps and let's see what we can find up here. So coming upstairs, first you will be greeted with double doors that lead into the master bedroom. So we're going to go into master bedroom and see what the bedroom has to offer. It is very big and nice and spacious. It can definitely fit my king size bed in there comfortably with no problems. And within the master bedroom, it does have a master suite or primary suite bathroom with the double sinks, cabinetry space at the bottom. It has a stand-up shower, as you guys can see that, as well as a separated throne room. I can definitely appreciate that. And then it also has a nice size walk-in closet, and it's very spacious. Okay, so coming out of the master bedroom, just have this nice open space right here. You've got another closet, which could be for you and linen. And over here, it is a washer and dryer connection. And I think with this unit, it does have a washer and dryer that comes with the unit. I think this is something that you can, I think this is an option that I can either keep in the unit or I have the option of having it removed. I think that's what the realtor said. Over here, this is another closet. And to the left of that, it is a bathroom. Now this bathroom has a sink. It also has a tub and shower combo in this unit, which I can definitely appreciate for this particular bathroom. And over here, it is bedroom number 2. This bedroom has double doors to the closet as well. Okay, you're coming out of this room. To the right of that room, it's another bedroom. I think this room is about the same size as the last one that I just looked at. Same concept, double doors to the closet. And that is it for the upstairs unit. So this is considered a townhouse, as I said before. I'm not personally opposed to townhouses. However, my husband was really not feeling the townhouse vibes. I don't know. But as promised, whatever houses I'm looking at, whatever we decide to do, I'm going to bring you guys along on this process. So this is rated top in my book, okay? But of course, this is going to be a collective decision between me and Be Smooth. So that is it for today's video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember to turn your post notifications on so that you'll be notified every time I come out with another video. And stay tuned because it's getting real. The moving vlogs are going to be for real, for real. All right, talk to you guys later. Love you with the love of Christ. Bye.